Well, something I want to say today is it has been raining since last night, and the weather it has been pretty much like that for almost a month now, and this is wet season here for Bali. So the wet season start from November until April. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, men and women. Greetings from the beautiful paradise, Bali Island. I'm here in Nusa Dua. This is Benua Peninsula. If you don't know, Benua Peninsula is located in the south of Bali, and this is the place where you can do all kind of water sport activities, something like jet ski, banana boat, scuba diving, parasailing, donut boat, and a lot more. And this area here is just about 20 minutes away from Bali International Airport. It's very close to a luxury resort area in Nusa Dua as well. And the beach here, it has calm water. And today I'm gonna wandering around this area. Let's see how is the situation here at Benua Peninsula, and I am recording this video on January 11th 2025. I'm pretty sure some of you had some experience here in this area, especially for the one who love water sport activities. So there are lots of water sport activities company here, and you are free to choose any company you want to use for water sport activities. They're all pretty much the same each other, and the place where I am right now is Bintang and BMR area. I'm gonna walk through the footpath near. Let me show you around. Hey, good morning. Well, what activities did you do?
Jet ski,
Banana
ride.
Is it still good because of raining?
It's good.
You still enjoy it? Really? Wow, thank you. See, I just saw this couple from India that were just doing jet ski and banana boat. It's very wet today, but it doesn't stop people doing water sport activities. Yeah, these are the jet ski they're gonna use. So if you guys want to do the jet ski, they're gonna charge you for 15 minutes. And with the jet ski, you can ride it yourself, or you can go with instructor. So it all depends on what you like, which one is more comfortable for you. They still doing some parasailing adventure, fly fish, and ton of boats. Fly fish, something like a flying thing, you know, where you hang on the raft, and it's towed by boat, and it's gonna fly through the air. I can see there are lots of jet skis that's going on today. Talking about the snorkeling, this kind of weather is not really good idea to do the snorkeling. The problem is the water is not really that great. I mean, the visibility is not really good. So snorkeling or sea walker is not really good activities to do in this kind of weather. Parasailing is still good. So this person here is doing jet ski with instructor, I believe. So when you two jet ski ride with the instructor gonna sit behind you. So this is such a long beach. And the yellow things is called fly fish. Okay, let me walk back over there. I just don't walk too far from where I park my car. Okay guys, this is it, my video today, and I want to say thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again in my next video. Have a great day, take care, and don't forget to keep smiling.